So andito tayo ngayon sa Maricelo Villas to check again a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. This condo unit is for bidding. So let's go and check this out. So this is 42 square meters. And it looks good as brand new. Mukhang hindi pa nagamit, oh. May plastic pa yung sink. 2 bedrooms. Kagandahan sa unit na to, it comes with a parking space. So yung bathroom, yan. Mukhang hindi nga nagamit, may plastic pa yung yung sink tsaka yung water tank closet. So ito yung isang kwarto. Ayan. May aircon provision siya. So konting linis lang. Pwede na siyang malipatan agad. Ito yung masters na. With service area. So again, this is 42.5 square meters, around 3.2 million, and it comes with a parking space. This is available in cash, or at least 10% spot down payment, and then 90% balance through bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. So again, this is for bidding. If you are interested to make a bid and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. Ayos pa siya. Hindi siya natirhan. Pati yung CR may plastic pa eh. Oh. Pati itong yung switch may mga plastic pa. Oh.